guys, I'm gonna break this toy car. Slam it. It didn't do anything. Like, wait, what? It did something. Number 2, stomping on it. It's gonna break my, it almost broke my shoe. Number 3. Did it do anything? No. Didn't even do anything. See if we slam it as hard as we can and break it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh. Yeah. Didn't do any damage. Slam it from all the way up here down here. Oh my God. Yo, number 6. Did it break anything? Did it even break? Got a little wiggle here. Look, again. Oh, look! Guys, look, all that strength. So many tries. Took me like 20 tries to do this, but this is what it looks like inside. So if you want to know what's inside these, this is what is inside. A whole seat. It's breaking more. Guess. Well, let's break this instead. Bro. What is that? I even have that. I don't even have that. The wheel just fell off out of nowhere. So I have to throw it. I'm gonna throw it out. We broke it. Okay.